If you have Godox or Flashpoint XPLOR 600 photo strobe and you stop using it to the point where the battery becomes completely drained like this, do not throw this away and do not pay $180 for a new one. Do this instead.
Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is the charger that comes with the unit. This charger cannot register this battery if it falls underneath a certain voltage. This battery was completely discharged, which means it can no longer turn on, as you see here. And if I plug it in, it's basically saying that this battery is dead. This battery is not dead, it just needs to be reset. To reset this battery, we need to remove this cover using these 6 screws. So you need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you'll need either a paper clip or right here I have a bread tie. I took the insulation off so you can see I have the exposed wires on the 2 ends right here. This is important. So you need this and you need this. It looks like it has 8, but these 2 right here at the top don't count. With the leads facing you, you want to remove take off these 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Never mind those 2. These 2 don't count. Just these 6. The 4 outer and the 2 at the bottom near the leads. Make sure the leads is facing you. This immediately comes up like this. See? Now with the leads facing you, there's 2 holes right here. 1, 2. That's where this comes in. The whole case in point is you want this one and this one to touch. Once they touch, they're connected. So now this one and this one is touching, and that's it. Simple, right? Now that I did that, I'm gonna plug this back in. And look, we got a response. And all I did was I touched these 2 wires to that lead and just made the connection. And now, before we had nothing, and now we have 1 green dot. And within 2 hours, that battery is going to be responding like this, because I did this one earlier. And that's it. Now, when you push it, that's what's supposed to happen. Actually, I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. And just like that, I saved you $180. Let me know in the comments if you tried it and if it worked for you. And just like that, I saved myself $360. Look at that. It's charging. It's officially charging. So if you found value in this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you'll never miss another one of these helpful videos. Peace. Todd Banks.